After logging into eBay web application, I'm going to show you a fully digitized machine control request form. If you click into the flow scheme, a visual representation of our form approval flow will be shown. After the user fill up the form and initial the flow will be sent to the manager for a review. Manager could review the form and fill up the information required. Then manager will send the form to the client. Client can reject the form and send it back to supervisors for any amendment on the form. Or a client can sign it and send the form to the supervisor if all the information are correct. At last, the supervisor will have a final check of the form with the signature of the client. Then the form will be sent into database. Otherwise, the form will be erased at any steps it got rejected by the supervisor. I will now show an example through the flow and show how the form can be done and get saved. I'm now submitting the basic field required before I initiate the flow. With the amazing customized method of eBA, all the required fields have to be filled. Otherwise, a notification will pop up as a reminder. Also, you can set the modification of certain fields as role-based. For instance, the flow starter cannot fill the name and signature of the client in this example. After submitting the form, the flow history tells me the flow has been successfully sent to the manager. We then switch into manager's account. After logging in, you will find all the pending tasks and notifications on the interface. You can simply click on it and get a quick access to the document. After the supervisor fill in the required fields and review the forms, supervisor could send the form to the client. Client can browse all the information of the form and sign the form if he or she agrees all the information on the form. After submitting, the form will be sent back to the supervisor for a final review. To the end, supervisor will approve the form and store it in database. Also, we can browse the log of all the request form here and retrieve the digitized form associated with particular record. Beside the web application, you can carry out the exact same function on your mobile application. After logging eBay in your mobile app, you can reach the same form from the same directory as the web application. The functions of filling the form or browsing the log are all available in your mobile application.